Hey everyone, in this quick video, I want to show you how you can sell calendars online without spending any money and make a lot of profits. Just follow me along. Let's go. So first thing you want to do is go to canva.com and type monthly calendars. Okay, once you did that, you will have a bunch of templates right here that you can pick and choose. And let's choose a template. So let's go ahead and pick this template, for example. Here we have our calendar for 2021. So very easy. You just need to just change all the years in all the pages. So we're going to put 2023 in all of them. So you just do that for all the pages. I'm going to just pause the video for a second. Okay, so I modified all the pages. Now we're in 2023. So that's perfect. So what you want to do, you don't want to let the calendar just be as is. You could, but you just want to do something that's yours, that's original and unique. So people know that, hey, yeah, that's something different. So I want to buy that, right? If they know that if like other people are doing the same thing and leaving the same photos and everything, it's not going to be very attractive. So what I would suggest you to do is to change the photos. So what you can do for that, you can go to another website called pexels.com and you can download free images. Let me show you quickly. So here we're on pexels.com. I just typed ocean or whatever you want to type, and it's going to give you some free photos you can download. You just download the photo, and let's go back to Canva. So now we're back here. We want to change the photos. So what you just want to do is delete this one. You delete the image. You're going to go to your uploads. I already downloaded the photo, and you will just put it right there. So you just do that for all the images, make it different. You can customize it as much as you want, really. You can even put some graphics here, or let's as an example find something, some graphic. I don't know if anything will be nice to put there, but I mean, as an example, let's say you want to put this right here. So you just put it there, but yeah, so you can really, really customize, modify those calendars. Another thing you really need to make sure of is that the days correspond to the days of the month corresponds to the right day of the week. So make sure, check on a proper calendar. When is Friday? When is the 1st of January going to fall? Is it going to fall on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday? And depending on that, you just can change the numbers. You can put the number here. Let's say you want to put the first year, you just do it. So very simple. Once that's done, you're just going to download your beautiful calendar right here. Okay, once you've downloaded your calendar, you will go to Etsy.com and open an account and create a store. So here, that's where you can create a store, shop manager, create your store. And I just want to show you the potential of profit you can make just doing that. So I typed digital planner. Let's put calendar. Let's go digital calendar. Okay, and here you have some calendars. And let's take this one as an example. I just want to show you exactly how much you can make, right? So it's a digital product. People, they have to print it. So just like the one we just were downloading, it's still downloading right here. So they made exactly 90,444 sales at the price of $2.37 Canadian dollars. So that comes to the total amount of $214 and 352. So that's huge. Over $200,000 just for a printable calendar. So that's all you have to do, guys. You just need to go to the shop manager right here, and you will just download, create your listing. So you'll have to put the details, put the category, make sure it's digital because people can download it right away. You don't have to do anything. And what else? Description. You just put some tags here, and set a price, and that's it. That's all, really. You just like put it on Etsy. Then after that, what you want to do, you just want to advertise your product. So what I suggest and what I really like to do is to use social media to promote my products. Whatever I want to promote, I use social media. It's free traffic. You just need to put your link out there, and you will drive a ton of traffic for free to your product. It's so simple. If you want, there's a training about that. You can check the link below. I have a full training about how you can do this. And the potential is huge. Take advantage of it. You can make money with no money. Canva is free. You can buy the pro version. You don't have to, but you can if you want to have more templates. And that's all you have to do. Be creative, be unique, make something different, something that's yours. And anybody can sell online, really. It's just a matter of starting. Start. It can take some time to make your first sale, and it can be very quick as well. Just go ahead, start. That's all you have to do. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed that video. I hope it was useful for some of you guys. I'm sure a lot of you already knew about it, but if you didn't know and if you enjoyed it, simply just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.